This is your year. You're going to do it. You're going to crush it, and you're going to kill it. And I believe in you, but let's slow it down, and I want to give you a few tips for how to really change things and do it right. So let's start the video now. Hey YouTube out there, Facebook if you're watching this out there, although I don't put it on Facebook yet. This is Steven. This is New Thinking, New Life. This is a channel about changing your life around. Hey, let's talk about how you can approach this in the new year so you're not going to trip yourself up and then do a face plant, boom, right on your face, because no one wants that. Here's the thing, right? I know you want to change everything. I've been there too, man. Listen, I tell you. By the way, I'm supposed to. It's been so long since I've done a video. Like, share, subscribe. That's called my call to action. I'm supposed to call you to action and tell you that I do lots and lots of videos, and I want you to subscribe to the channel, yo. And stay tuned, because if you subscribe to the channel, you'll learn about my upcoming Law of Attraction and self-help betterment course. It's free, not going to cost you a penny. I know you all want to change things up, and you want to run so fast, and you want to, okay, I'm overweight. Yeah, I'm overweight right now, technically. Aren't we all a little overweight in this first world countries if we're lucky enough to live in them? Oh, I'm overweight. Oh, I have bad habits. Oh, I do this. Oh, I do that. I want to change 10 things all at once. I want to stop drinking wine before I go to bed, or I want to be able to spend more time with my kids and stop work. So you're going to go and you're going to approach all this stuff, and it is the new year, and I know you want to do it, and I know you're earnest. But what you got to know is, don't try to do so much so fast that you're going to stack things up and then crash on yourself. I'm not telling you not to change. I want y'all to be able to change. But what I'm saying is you have to take it one layer at a time. Now, if you have 10 bad habits and you try to break 10 bad habits at a time, the reason your bad habits exist is simply because your brain loves your bad habits. Your brain gets a little dopamine kick up when you do your bad habits. Maybe you go online and you watch porn. That's a bad habit. That's a dopamine kick up. Maybe you drink alcohol. That makes your dopamine kick up. All these things you do that you need to change, food for example, that also helps the dopamine receptors go bing bing, and then you light up, and then you like that reward center feeling. So what I'm telling you right now is simple. The survival guide for all this is easy. Take the worst thing that you're doing right now and sit down and write them down if you have to. Take the worst thing that you're doing right now and stop that thing. Stop that thing for at least 3 weeks. And you can reduce the other things that you're doing, but I wouldn't stop them right away, because you might be setting yourself up to go, oh man, I just need a cigarette, or oh man, I just need that piece of candy. Oh, I just need that caffeine. I know I've had that experience before too, where things stack on top of each other and you just feel frustrated and you just go, oh, I just want some. And then you fail. And then when you fail big time. And then maybe you go back to where you were to square one, and then you say, well, this doesn't work. I guess I'm just genetically not wired for this. And then you quit what you're doing, and it sucks. It's a crappy feeling. No one likes that feeling, to feel like they failed. So don't fail. Take the worst thing that you're doing right now. There's a really good book you might want to check out. It's by Gary Keller. He wrote a book called That One Thing, and he talks about, in his case, it's about doing the most important thing at the time to get you further. So like if, for example, you're a small business owner and the most important thing you could do is literally walk on doors and knock on doors in your neighborhood to try to get business, do that one thing. But if in your case, take the one thing that you're doing that's the most detrimental to you and take that out of the equation very first. Does that make sense to you? Hey, if you want to email me, sound off in the email address below. If you guys want to chat, if you guys want to leave a comment, I read comments out that people leave me on my videos, so leave a comment. And thanks for being on my channel. If you're just browsing through, make sure you click the button to subscribe. I'm Steven. This is New Thinking, New Life. We're doing videos. We're helping each other out. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.